Hi friends, this is Press, and of course guys, share ko lang sa inyo yung simple upgrade for my Gearsan MC9 Extreme. So, ayun guys, nakakuha ulit tayo ng upgrade natin. So, check natin to guys. Okay, open ulit natin kasi na tabi ko ulit. Yan guys. Of course, once again, this is my unit, the Gearsan MC9 Extreme. And guys, make sure that the chamber is empty. Yun, of course, yan. Tabi natin to. Yan guys. Yan. Yan guys, ito yung simple upgrade natin. Yan. Of course, this is the suppressor guys. Suppressor. Ito try natin sa unit natin. Of course, fit to guys, 1/2 by 28 yung yung barrel thread natin dito sa Gearsan MC9. So, check natin guys. Yeah, check natin kung okay ba yung suppressor. Yeah, okay natin. Ano pala siya guys? Clockwise yung niya, yung thread niya. Yeah, guys. Ano natin? Insert natin. Yan. Fit na fit kasi standard lang naman siya, 1/2 by 28. Yun. Yan, yung first guys, yan. Ganda niya. Poging-pogi. So, yun guys. Try natin sa range to. Samahan nyo ako guys. Try natin kung okay ba siya sa unit ko. Kung mag-function mo siya ng okay. So, yun na guys. Let's check natin. Oh, yun guys, kinabitan natin siya ng suppressor. So, tingnan natin yung performance niya kung maganda kung nasa-suppress ba yung sounds niya. So, yun guys, tingnan natin. Yun guys, test natin. Firing! Yan guys, okay naman yung performance niya, maganda yung suppressor. Nasa suppressor talaga yung sounds niya. So yan. Ganda. Bagay na bagay sa MC10 natin. So yan.